Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Plume network airdrop. So Plume network is basically a real world assets and it's currently one of the hottest narratives in crypto, and hopefully this should be a decent airdrop because they have raised the funding of around 10 million US dollars. Now, before we move on to airdrop farming from Plume network, I have one YouTube channel in Hindi language for crypto airdrop content. If you want the content in Hindi language, you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel over here. Now, in order to farm this airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go to chainlist.org over here. And the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and add a Plume testnet to your MetaMask wallet. All the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate and farm this airdrop. Now, once you have this Plume network in your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and get some Cephalia Ethereum if you don't have it. So you can basically go to Cephalia faucet over here and start mining some ETH over here. I think the limit per day is around 2.5 ETH. So it would be easy for you guys to go ahead and actually start mining this ETH over here. Or alternatively, you can create an account on Alchemy and request for some Ethereum Cephalia over here. Simply go to MetaMask over here, copy your address, paste it over here and request for Ethereum Cephalia. Now once you have Ethereum Cephalia, all you have to do is you will need to go to the bridge over here, which is plume.testnet, and it's currently using the Caldera bridge technology over here, or tech you can say. And basically what you have to do is you will need to go over here and switch your MetaMask wallet to Cephalia over here. So let me quickly go and switch this to Cephalia over here, and all you have to do is you will need to bridge from Cephalia to Plume testnet over here. So simply put in the amount over here. For example, if you want to go ahead and deposit like around 0.1 Cephalia to Plume testnet, you can put like 0.1 and simply click on deposit over here. Now alternatively, you can also add this Plume network chain over here by simply clicking over here. And as you can see, in my MetaMask wallet, I already have this Plume testnet, and I have requested for 0.5 Cephalia ETH on my Plume network. Now once you have this Plume network, all you have to do is you will need to go over here to Plume testnet explorer over here and go down and connect your wallet and click on write over here. Now once you click on write, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and confirm this transaction. So basically this is a USDC faucet, and then USDC would be reflected in your Plume testnet wallet. Now once this is done, all you have to do is you will need to go to thirdweb.com over here, and you will need to go ahead and deploy a ERC20, which is a token. And alternatively, if you want some additional steps, you can also go ahead and deploy a NFT on the Plume network testnet. So for this video purpose, I will be only showing you the token. So simply go ahead and click on deploy over here. I will name it maybe the token name Pudgy Penguin because I love these NFTs, and I will also name it Pudgy Penguin, and also again description same I will keep it. You can select whatever name, symbol and description you want, but for this video purpose I am keeping it Pudgy Penguin. Simply go ahead and click on deploy over here and wait for the transaction to be completed, as it will ask you to sign the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, now the MetaMask is popped up. Now at times it takes a bit of time over here, but we will wait for the transaction to be over because there is some additional step that I want to show you what you have to do after deploying this contract or token over here. So simply go ahead and click on sign over here, and now we will wait for this to be over. So I think it should be done within a minute or so. And to be honest, there are a lot of airdrop farming opportunities still there in the market. I mean, the recent airdrops have been nothing but a disappointment, but hopefully there would be like 3 or 4 or maybe 5 good airdrops that will make us rich, and that should give us a decent amount of airdrop. So meanwhile this is getting completed. Okay, now it's completed. Now once this is completed over here, just wait for 2 to 3 seconds, and as you can see there is contrast checklist over here and one task is completed. Now you will need to go ahead and mint the token over here. So simply go to token tab over here and click on mint over here. Now you can put in any amount of supply you want. So I will put like 1 million tokens over here, and I will simply go ahead and mint this 1 million Pudgy Penguin token on Plume network over here. So as you can see, I have already created these tokens over here. Now basically you have the option of burn, airdrop, transfer and mint some more. So I will simply go ahead and click on burn over here and go ahead and burn one token over here. So basically what you are doing is you are generating a token and also interacting with that token contract over here. And meanwhile, if you want, you can go ahead and airdrop it to some other wallets, and maybe if you want, you can go ahead and transfer it also. So basically this will help you generate some additional transactions on the Plume network. Now after this, all you can do is basically you can go to Galaxy Quest over here and get all these roles over here. So as you can see, you can get this plumber role by joining the Discord and by completing this basic task over here, and you can go ahead and claim this points and Discord role on Galaxy. Now once you do that, all you can do is the last thing is like basically they have this incentivized testnet form over here. Links in the description for this. Basically you can go over here, and as you can see, they have clearly mentioned that Plume goons, are you ready? Sign up below so that you can stay tuned for our upcoming incentivized testnet and you would be rewarded. So simply go ahead and connect your wallet over here, connect your Discord and connect your Twitter and complete some basic tasks like tweeting and following them on Twitter, and you are done. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm this Plume network airdrop for now. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.